All right, all right. Oh. Yeah, get, post, or cookie. Modify the cookies and change the value parameter. And first replace the guest with admin. That's what I fucking thought. Change it with admin. That's why I did. I did admin. Oh, wait. Change guest. Okay. I need 1, 2, 3. Damn, I forgot. What do you do? What do you do? Oh, I need flag too. My dumb ass. Ooh, there we go. Cookie is yummy. That's what I'm talking about, dog. What, Tiffless? What? Come here. Is that what you want? You just want some attention? Come here, baby. Come here. You just want some attention. God, stop me out here. I think that's what she wanted. That's what she wanted. She just wants some attention. Alright, so there and be quiet. Capture flag at flag 3. Let's try it. Let's see how it behaves. Test. .php. .php. Huh. hand, so it's stop, Toothless. Post. Hang on, how do I? Should be able to do our burp sweep. One, two, three. What am I doing wrong? Inspect the page and click on inspect. What? Click on inspector. What is inspector gonna do for me? That's why. How come the post request ain't working for me? Change request to post and then forward it. What am I doing wrong, man? Wow, stop. That's a get request. Change request to the post. Forward it. Plays get with post. What do you mean plays get with post? Oh, is the goddamn cookie still in there? Is that what the fuck I'm having problems with? Alright, now that should work. What the fuck, man? Okay, let's see if that's even the answer. It is. Well, how the fuck do I get that goddamn answer?
Hi everybody, good morning. I'm continuing doing rooms from Junior Pen Tester. ETC flag 3. So when I say ETC flag 3, getting sleepy. Oh, it removed the ETC. I forgot this.
Mine didn't. Are you on the right one?
So if we do the trick we did before, no, it removed the bracket. It's very dangerous. It removed everything. So
Mine didn't remove the bracket.
It removed them. The filter is strong. And if I remember the hint in the room, it say
Mine's not removing the bracket.
the request is accept HTTP. Do your research and things like that. Without this, it is really hard to solve this flag 3. Now, if you look, for example, in this request things, what it tell you is a PHP super global. That's the key part of it. Super global variable that are associative array contain data from get, post, and cookie. Super glob, it serves as a consolidate array for accepting data sent to PHP via a get request, post request, cookie, and everything. And it's very dangerous. For example, here, assessing a value for the request. If I set request username, request username
So what am I doing wrong for
Okay,
this
so
thing to not work?
one variable for everything. Forget post and things. uh, because it has a consolidation combine data get post request. What the point of the story is, when we send in a get request, it filter for us that. Yes, it get filter. This things is filtering. It remove it. The question is, of course, the question.
I don't know. I can't get it to go. It ain't doing shit for me.
Question was is because it use that global array. The question will be, how about if we change it, edit and reload? So if I change it to post, maybe there's no filter in the post request itself. What? Why? Why it has this double double now?
I don't know either though.
So if I put no etc pass WD. Let's assume if I send a post. No, but the post doesn't really work like that. Let's see what happened first.
Oh, wow.
Because a post request is empty, so we need to do file equal etc pass w, and we need that thing we did before, that this one. Content type. I know you can see now it is not killing us. We're not getting problem with the bracket. It's not filtering. You can see it's not filtering. It just add that PHP things. So we need to add that the null, and then we got it. So we got the password. So if I want that flag 3, I can just.
So how is it? Let's see. Trying to fucking, why is it pissing me off? Oh my god, I'm not trying to pin it. What the fuck? Why is it pinned? Jesus Christ. Fuck no, man. I'm just trying. Why the fuck is it such a pain ass for me to delete this damn message? I don't know goddamn bullshit on here. I ain't buying no one's fucking books. Oh, that shit pissed me off. There we go. I don't know fucking people spam out their goddamn books and shit. I'm still trying to figure out how the fuck can I not get this. It's confusing the shit out of me right now. I'm completely lost on this. 100% lost. Like, this shit's confusing. I want to change it to. What's the point of burp sweep if burp sweep is not okay? Yeah, I don't want no message on here, man. I don't want that shit. I don't want people posting the shit about their books and all that. I don't care about buying no one's book. Alright, here, delete it. I want all this shit gone. What the fuck? Why is it so hard? This is the why the fuck? Come on, man. This shit's starting to piss me off. I can't even see the get. I'm trying. I don't. Jesus, I'm trying to change it to a post request and it won't even let me. Yeah. Whatever tools. Fresh. That's it right there. That's what I want to edit. Edit, resend. Why the fuck it won't let me? You serious? I'll strike. Refer, motherfucker. Send response. It ain't intercepting shit. Why is it doing that? What am I doing wrong, man? What the fuck? What's this guy talking about? How come it won't let me change it to a GET request? I don't know. What's he talking about? And I can't even get. Why can I not get a response? Huh. What's up with goddamn? Well, why is this such a pain in the ass to do? Yeah, there we go. Fuck. That shit on here.
What the fuck is he there? when I got the flag thing.
Oh, I'm getting. So what exactly did he do? Okay, what exactly did he do?
Or of course we can go to our friend Carl, the one that we did before this software cookie. Email equals 3.
Oh.
Hi and welcome to our 8th lesson in TryHackMe's ///// that should take us to the root folder where we can go to Etsy and flag2, then add the null byte and go ahead and forward that. Go back to the web browser and we begin the flag. The cookie is yummy. Go ahead and claim the loot and you can paste that over in the answer box for flag 2. Guys. Once again, a little advanced, but Burp Suite is something that you'll be using more and more in these lessons. Alright, let's go to challenge 3. So, include a file in the input form below. It's expecting a welcome, so let's go ahead and do the well met. Alright, so our current path equals the directory var www.html3.php is what handles the form. Given files under the same directory, although similar to the last challenge, it's appending the .php except to the input. So we're going to go to the URL where our query starts. We're going to go file equals, then we're going to do some directory traversal with 4 levels, etc flag 3. And then we're going to add a null byte so that maybe that extension will go away. Click enter. The error shows that the slash has vanished between flag and etc, but also the .php extension.
Let's see what.
Then we're going to add a null byte so that maybe that extension will go away. Click enter. The error shows that the slash has vanished between flag and etc, but also the .php extension remains. So this is a good sign for the web developer. It means that they're probably using some kind of sanitization. We're going to change the URL again, only this time we're going to add 2 more dots, 1 slash, 4, and then press enter. We're still getting that error. Well, if we check out the hint, we can see that not everything is filtered. The website uses $_requests to accept HTTP requests. I know. Let's go back to the command line and try curling. And open up a command line, and we're going to do curl x, and we're going to do the post method with, and then the URL. For me, is going to be 10.10.14.3 /challenges/chal3 PHP, and then we'll do -d for data. And then we're going to do attack method equals post in file equals // slash and // and etc/flag 3, and then we'll add the null byte. We'll do a closing tag, and we'll do --output and another dash, and we'll see if it works. Click enter. Oh, look at that. Post worked. The include function is trying to request the file and there's no chain, which means we don't need to add any extra slashes or dots. Just need to change the request method from get to post. So in that case, we'll do curl, and then we'll get rid of these extra slashes and dots. 3, and we'll give it a go. Aha! And the file content preview of flag 3 is post is working. Way to go, guys. Nice job working your way through.
Yeah, I still can't get it.
Or of course we can go to our friend Carl, the one that we did before on this one for the cookie. Inventory equals like 3, change 3, and we if we do that, fail to open because we have that PHP ender, so we need to kill that PHP part with the null byte. And it's can binary, so we need to add that output, and then you got the flag. You can do the same things with Burp like we did before here. Let's be lazy, let's do lazy stuff. 3, 3, I don't need this one. So we need to add that null byte. And we have the flag thing.
So you do. How the fuck is he doing that? Finally fucking got it. Okay. God, that was a pain in the ass. Oh. I don't know how to do that.
Go ahead and copy that, put it as an answer for flag 3. Oh, you guys just finished file inclusion lesson. So, however, when we're looking at the web application, it doesn't exactly tell us to do that. A lot of times as a pen tester, it'll be up to your own intuition to try and discover that for yourself. In fact, we may be able to do this just by changing the method and actually getting rid of all the directory traversal dots and slashes. All that we'll need is /etc and /flag with the null.
31, 32.
Boy, are you in for a treat. It looks something like http:// and then the IP address, playground.php, then the question mark for our query, and we'll do file equals http:// will lead to the file on our web server. Now the include function main page playground. So remote file inclusion is basically a reverse shell, right? It's redirecting the web server to download a malicious file that may execute on the target machine. If you've never executed a remote shell before, boy are you in for a treat. It looks something like http:// and then the IP address, playground.p.
Let's reread this shit. Host name command. I don't even know how to start that.
PHP, then the question mark for our query, and we'll do file equals http:// will lead to the file on our web server. Now the include function will make the request to shell.php, download it, and execute it on the target. That's the danger of include functions. Open up a new terminal window and start a web server. You can do this by doing sudo python3-n and http.server. And you can click this little S for Sublime Text and it'll open up a new notepad for you. We can actually create our own executable. So we're gonna write this in PHP and simply do print exec, and we're gonna do host name. So this is just gonna basically tell us the host name if this is successful. If it is downloaded and
It teaches
executed
anything about
on the
that.
web application. We'll do question mark and another bracket to close it, and that's it. You can save that in the default.
That's one bracket.
Root directory as cmd.txt. Go ahead and save and close, and take a note of our IP address. This is what the web server is going to connect to after we send this. So we're going to copy that, and in the playground put in http:// the attack machine IP, and then the playground.php, start our query, file equals, and now it's time to put in the URL to our web server. This is going to be http:// and then our IP address. If you don't know your IP address, you can simply go into the command line and check it out right here, or you can run the command ifconfig. Make sure that those are periods between each number, and then a colon for the port, and we're going to use port 8000 /cmd.txt. And it was successful. You guys have just now run your first remote.
That's crazy. That's fucking cool. Alright, well, let's try that. Hello, Python 3. Oh, what was it?
Playground include function will make the request and start a web server. You can do this by doing sudo python3-n and http.server.
This lesson took a while. can change the port.
And you click this little S for Sublime Text and we'll open up a new notepad. For you, we can actually create our own executable. So we're going to write this in PHP and simply do print exec, and we're going to do host name. So this is
Executable. That should be it.
It's just going to basically tell us the host name if this is successful. If it is downloaded and executed on the web application. We'll do question mark and another bracket. Okay, to close it, and that's it. You can save that in the default root directory as cmd.txt. Go ahead and save and close and take a note.
I'll pull it up. That's my IP. I'm on port. Damn it. Port 8000. Do it wrong.
Of our IP address. This is what the web server is going to connect to after we send this. So we're going to copy that and in the playground put in HTTP // tech machine IP, and then the playground.php start our query file equals And now it's time to put in the URL to our web server. This is going to be http:// and then our IP address. If you don't know your IP address, you can simply go into the command line and check it out right here, or you can run the command ifconfig.
I mean, that looks right.
Make sure that those are periods between each number, and then a colon for the port, and we're going to use port 8000 /cmd.txt. And it was successful. You guys have just now run your first remote file inclusion. We're going to copy that host name and that.
It won't work for me.
That'll be our answer. 7. Main page.
What did I do wrong? Yeah. Does it need to be cmd.txt?
And go to Playground. So remote file inclusion is basically a reverse shell, right? It's redirecting the web server to download a malicious file that may execute on our web server. Now the include txt. Go ahead and save and close. Host.
Oh, you know what? Oh. That's what I fucking didn't do right. Fuck, the whole time I'm saying fucking. That was a pain in the ass. That was a pain in the ass, man. Who the hell's following me? What does it tell me who's following me? Oh, look, I got a follower. Oh, that's cool. Man, he's in the top 1%. Where am I at? We both got 30 badges. That was a pain in the ass. Alright, guys. I'm done for today. That was